What a farmer needs is big, heavy and healthy chicken with better performance. This will get him ROI and satisfaction. Do you know the liver is an important organ in a body? It is the largest organ in the chicken body. It acts as a clearinghouse for substances that enter the body and removes waste and toxic matter from the blood. It regulates blood volume and destroys old blood cells. The portal vein carries blood from the gastrointestinal tract with digested nutrients to the liver to be processed. The liver is the main site of red blood cell production and bile. The liver also plays a major role in the digestion, metabolism and utilization of feed nutrients. The liver can be affected by various bacteria and virus which gets into the body, and also toxins affected feed and contaminated water. Fatty liver is a condition wherein large vacuoles of triglyceride fat accumulates in liver cells due to non-mobilization. Accumulation of fat may also be accompanied by a progressive inflammation of the liver and at times results in busting of the liver. Hepatocare from Varsha Group is a complete product to protect and potentiate the liver by multifaceted action since it works on a cell level. Hepatocare ensures that the liver cells are protected against bacteria and viruses. Hepatocare ensures better fat mobilization, digestion and utilization of fat. Hepatocare ensures better productive performance, that is, improved body weight and FCR, egg production, shell quality, fertility and hatchability, improved livability, uniform growth, speedy recovery from diseases and disorders, enhanced immunity. Hepatocare from Varsha Group.